Alright, now this guy goes over the broken lines, and you see he comes over and he's right on it. If it was a side swipe, who would be at fault? It's a no-brainer. But he would obviously say he wasn't at fault. He would just say he side swiped him. Now I'm coming out of the driveway. I saw this cool looking car. Old fashioned. I'm not really big into old cars, but I do appreciate when I see them. Over here, there's a car. I saw smoke, very faint smoke, and then I started seeing more of it. It looked like he just had pulled over just now. You probably missed that. But his car looked like it was overheating. But yeah, this guy, there was enough space in front for him to come if he wanted to come in. There was a lot of space behind. But no, he just got to get right in front and cut over the solid lines. There you go. Thanks for watching.